Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student based on chapter 16. The name of the chapter is Weather, and this is the part 1 of the chapter. Dear students, all of you take your textbook in your hand. Open page number 100, and today we will discuss about page number 100 and page number 101 and follow the class with your textbook. So let's start the class. This is our lecture number 13 and you will get homework number 11 today, and the name of the chapter is the weather. From this chapter we will learn about weather and season in our part 1 class. That means today's class we will discuss about weather, and in our next class we will discuss about seasons. Have you seen the sky? Does it look the same every day? All the days are different. Different days have different weather. What is weather? All days are not the same. Some days are hot, some are cold. Sometimes the sky is cloudy and at other times it rains. And on other days the wind blows very fast. This is called weather. Weather is the condition of outside, like how hot, cold or windy is it outside. Weather changes on a day-to-day basis. Now we will go to the next topic. This is how hot day or sunny days. Look, this is a sunny days and the sky is blue. That boy is enjoying the sunshine and he is enjoying her juice also with the nice weather. The sun shines brightly on a hot sunny days. The sky is clear and blue. We wear light cotton clothes on a hot day. We feel very thirsty and drink plenty of water on a hot day. The hot dry days in Bangladesh begins from the month of March and continues till June. Now we will go to our next point. The name of the point is windy days. Look, this is the picture of a windy day. This trees is blows with wind and this boy is running and enjoying the wind. The sun is not very hot on a windy day. The wind blows very hard on a windy day. The day feels cool. People's hat and clothes are blows about on a windy day. Now we will come to our next point, that is rainy day. Look the picture. It is raining and that man is holding an umbrella. It rains only for a few months in a year. The weather is cloudy and wet. Sometimes we hear thunder and see lightning in the sky. Sometimes we also see a rainbow after a heavy shower of rain. We wear raincoat and gumboots and use umbrella to stay dry on a windy day. In Bangladesh, the rainy days begins from the month of June and continues till October. Now the next point is cold day. Look, this boy is wearing woolen clothes because of cold. The wind is cold on a cold day. We try to stay warm on a cold day by wearing woolen clothes. We like to drink hot milk, tea or soup on a cold day. In some places, it snows on a cold day. The cold day in Bangladesh begins from November and continues through February. Now we will solve some statement. This statement are true or false. We have to find out this. We will solve it by writing T or F. The first statement is, it rains lightly in monsoon. Dear students, it is false statement because in monsoon it rains heavily. The second statement is, the wind is cold on a cold day. It is right statement. That's why we have to write here T. The third one is, we wear cotton clothes on a rainy day. It is false statement because we wear gumboot and raincoat on a rainy day. Now fourth statement is, we wear gumboots on a rainy day. Just before I have told that we wear gumboot and raincoat on a rainy day, that means this statement is correct statement. It will be true. Dear students, it is your homework number 11 for annual term. You have to do these 4 true and false as your SW and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the question answer and practice all the exercise. Do all the SW and submit regularly because you will get CT diary and SBA marks on the basis on your performance of SW. Abide by your parents. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.